Hello, GVCM people. I'm Marcus, as you know, and this morning I'm trying to give you a tour of GVCM's kitchen, see our cooks, and eventually what they're doing this morning. And who knows, we can even share some stuff because I'm hungry. So we'll see. We're getting to the kitchen. This is where we store food for the orphanage. This is where the party starts. And there's something. So there's hope for me. This is mostly what we use for missionaries. And you know, we use the same kitchen to cook for both missionaries and for the orphanage. Hey, oh, they have herring too. So some people like to add herring, some not. It seems like our cooks like it, so I'm gonna have to like it too because they will share with me. For the orphanage, this is what we use mostly. This big recipe you're looking at is boiling beans. It's like a burner, but it uses charcoal. So in case you come down to visit us, you know this is where your food will be cooked. And the cooks are absent for now. Yeah, but there's about 5 of them total. One of them specifically, here she comes. This is Nana. She's the appointed cook for missionaries. So if you like our food, it's because she's a very good cook. She's really liked. Everybody loves her food. So I'm sure if you come down here, you'll enjoy it too.